40 bucks in. Run it up real quick. See what's happening. Playing 88 cents. I always have to fast top these to me. It's the only way to get anything, in my opinion. They say the fast top don't do nothing but run your money down faster, but to me you don't get that nowhere else. We'll see though. We shall see. Got a win finally. Double up bonus. Double up bonus, 50 cents. That's $2 so far. Got 65 bucks in. Nothing on the first go round. Ain't that some shit? Nothing again. Come on. Nothing on the bottom. This is why I don't play this game. Sometimes it do you good, sometimes it do you dirt. Always got you strung out. Not a research monkey. Last spin. Will it pop? No, it won't. 60 bucks in. And $7.50. They robbing me without a pistol. That's what they do. Robbing me without a pistol. What a waste. The best one to get is the ultra spin. That's all I try for. Red again, double up. $1. Last play, won $7. This is the second one on this one. Let's see if I can win more than $7 on 2 screens. A total of $7. At the bottom now. Come on, hit me. They know how to string you out. Come on. Come on up top. Hit me one more time. Oh yeah, 450. Yeah, that's okay. Come on. See the minor. I see the minor at the bottom. Come on, all day. One more time. Come on. Come on, Mike. Come on at the bottom. Come on at the bottom, man. One time. One time. No times. They know how to get you. me a little life. I don't know if to cut my losses or try again. Strung out like a research monkey. We just gonna try some more. Switch games to my wife's game.
Ultra.
Finally won an Ultra. See what you bring me. Oh yeah, come on. I need that bird money every time you go by. Every spin, I need that bird money. That's what I call it, the bird money. I need that bird money every time you fly. Bird money, come on in. Need to hit anything, come on. Nothing. Nothing but a little bird money, which is nothing. $16.50. Peanuts. Down by 20. Another double. $4, which is $8. Okay, start. And give me the 40. And let's see if I can get at least, I would love to get 100. But who knows? Two positions, let's fill it up, let's fill it up, let's fill it up, let's fill it up. Oh yeah, let's fill it up. Let's fill it up. Nothing at the top. $1 at the bottom. Let's get some more. Let's get them money. Come on, let's fill it up. Let's fill it up. There's something other than 50 cents. Oh yeah, I got me something at the bottom. Come on. Let me get something now. Come on, give me something. Come on, mini, minor, minor, mini, minor, major at the bottom. Let's get something at the bottom. Let's get some money. Let's get some money. Last hit at the bottom. One more time for me. One more time. Come on, stop it, man. Oh yeah. 3 more spins, 3 more tries. Let's go. Oh yeah. I know ain't nothing coming here. I don't even. I wish I had the bird to get the bird money on this one. Let's see what I'm on. $19 up top. 'Even money now. I don't know if I should. get on up and try something else or what? We'll see.